Here we present the IntelliKitchen. This is our sign-in page. You can register a new account with your email or choose to log in with Google. Here we just sign in with a pre-registered account. After you sign in, you will be directed to the home page, where you can have a quick view of your food in the fridge, your chores to do, and our recommend recipes for you. All the food in your fridge will be listed here with different colors indicating their expiration status. Oops, it seems like you have the cabbage, eggs, and milk already expired. You better take care of them right now. You also have the pork and beef, which will expire in 3 days. You probably need to come up with a recipe that will consume these ingredients. And this is a bit of pain, but no worries, we will help you. Tap on the second button, you'll get some smart recipe recommendations based on the food expiration date in your fridge. Those recipes with the ingredients that will expire soon will be prioritized and shown here. Once you consume those ingredients, you can tap on the fridge button and view your food list and edit your food accordingly. You can swipe to the left to delete the food and swipe to the right to edit it. You can also add your food. You can put the food name here and select the bulk date and expiration date. You can confirm or cancel your new ad at the bottom. And now go back to the main food list. See, here's our newly added broccoli. More importantly, you can use the searching engine we provide to search whatever recipe you want. Besides searching by recipe name, you can also customize your own ingredients. Say we want a recipe that uses milk and eggs. We select those two, click on the search button, and see. Here's the result list. On this list, you can clearly see the rating for each recipe. Oh, this ice cream sandwich looks so good. I want to know how to make it. You can see the ingredients and instructions here step by step. You can also rate and save this recipe. In the top, you can see how many people have rated this recipe. Want to comment on the recipe? We have it for you. Simply swipe to the bottom and share your thoughts. Beside these, you can also check your to-do chores. Oh my god, it seems like your kitchen is in a mess. You have the unwashed dishes in your kitchen? Your trash bin is exploding. No worries, we have the chore list that can remind you when your deadline approaches. Swipe to the left, you can see the 4 options. The remind option can let you get a notification on the date you are supposed to do the chore. The skip option can delay the chores when you are not able to do them. The finish button will automatically set the last done date to today and set the new remind date based on the frequency you pick. You can also add new chores. Here, you need to fill in the name, last done date, and frequency. You can now go back to your chore list and see the chore you just added. And lastly, we come to our profile page. You can change your information and view your favorite recipes here.
Hi, I'm Jessica, the project manager for IntelliKitchen. I'm in charge of planning and tracking the progress of the entire team and initiating the project ideas. I'm also responsible for organizing the weekly team meetings and assigning tasks to our teammates to ensure that our team is making the right progress. Our team is very enthusiastic and we work closely together online, trying to bring the best quality to our customers. We hope IntelliKitchen can make your life easier and help manage your food and chores properly during this quarantine time.
I'm Chao, the business analyst of IntelliKitchen. We found several growing problems in our modern society that we wanted to solve by delivering this app. In the United States, food waste is estimated at between 30 to 40% of the food supply. Now with COVID-19, people have to stay at home with ingredients and may not know what food to make. We developed IntelliKitchen to solve those problems, to meet people's needs and to help manage things that are little but important.
Hi, I'm Jeremy, the software architect of IntelliKitchen. For this course, I did some research about different technologies and discussed with our group members. And finally, we decided to develop an iOS application by using Swift code and Firebase. I divided the project into different parts for different members to finish.
Hi, I'm Ilun, the Senior System Analyst of IntelliKitchen. IntelliKitchen's main functions include keeping track of food expiration date in users' fridge, generating recipes based on food expiration date, and assisting users' chores by sending notifications based on chores plan. My tasks including design 25 user stories, use cases, and system requirements to enable us to be more directed and prepared to implement our app.
Hi, I'm David, the software development lead of IntelliKitchen. My job is to ensure our app is on track with the development timeline and try to help other team members with any problems or issues they encounter during the development of the application. Towards the end of the semester, I also help organize the integration of our application into a complete and a viable product.
Hi, I'm Dawei, the algorithm specialist of IntelliKitchen. I mainly focus on the autocomplete part of the search and recipe function in our app. My job is to ensure that when the users type in the ingredients or the recipe names they need, our search function can immediately show the choices that are available according to our database. This can effectively save users time to input, prevent them from inputting random things, and enhance the accuracy of our searching function.
Hi, I'm Kaixun, the algorithm specialist of IntelliKitchen. To recommend recipes that fit the user best possible, our application uses tons of recipes that we retrieve online. We recommend recipes based on what food the users have in their fridge. We make this recommendation process completed in the time of just a simple refresh on the app. We also make the recommendation different each time the users log in, just to give them various options to choose from.
Hey guys, I'm Jiang Nan. I'm the database specialist of Group IK. We mainly use two separate databases in Firestore to store the information for our app. Real-time database to store food recipes and Cloud Firestore to store user information. We use almost 4,000 recipe and ingredients and store them in the database using Beautiful Soup Library. Based on those recipes, we can do recipe recommendations. The user's info will also be automatically stored when a user registers our app.
Hi, this is Jia Lu, the Quality Assurance Lead of IntelliKitchen. My task is to ensure that there's no gap between quality we release and the quality perceived by the users. Firstly, I focused on testing edge cases of every function to get a bug-free version. Then I move forward to check if there's any mismatch of users' expectations based on the use case we have written. We also did a cross-section validation testing in order to provide our users with a high-quality application.
Hi, I'm Dolan, the user interface specialist. IntelliKitchen is a mobile application that always thinks from the user's perspective. My task is to assist the team to build an application with the most user-friendly interface and the most intuitive one. With that in mind, we allocated different cards on the homepage where the user can swipe through to have a quick view about the food, chores, and recipes. Our goal is to provide users with the application that satisfies their needs the best and make their life easier.